In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Windows 11 update status stuck on pending. So to resolve this method, you can try two methods. Firstly, search services. Open services. Now in this list, find out Windows update. This one, right click on it and properties. Select here automatic. Then start. Then apply. Then click on OK. So this service should be running. So this is the first method. If this method not work, so open settings, then here troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and click on Windows Update. And follow the suggestions which you see here. Now exit and restart your system. Still you are facing problems, so you can try this method. CMD, run as administrator, and type SFC /scan now and complete this scanning. Once this complete, exit and restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve Windows update status stuck on pending. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.